Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Witch's Dance from Suzuki Violin Book Number 2, tutorial and playthrough if you want to play through. Use your tab super below and skip ahead, tutorial. Oh, this song, Witch's Dance, written by none other than Niccolo Paganini, credited as being the greatest violin player ever. He was so good, and people had never heard anything like him before. Like, he was a phenomenal technician. He could do things that were impossible on the violin. They're still extremely difficult today. That people thought he had to have made a deal with the devil. Like, there had to be something supernatural going on with him. He traded something, right, to be so good. Well, he did not discourage this image, and he himself was very tall and very gaunt and had long hair, and he kind of played up this sort of creepy appearance and image to sort of play into this publicity. And it worked for him because he was a success, phenomenal performer, phenomenal composer, everything. Well, this song, Witch's Dance. How does a witch dance? Well, it probably sounds something like this. Like, weird, right? But that's what it is. So this is sort of playing in that idea of playing with the dark side image, right? The witch's dance. So let's do it. We get to play it on violin. It's kind of fun. So first we have to get this bowing. So down, down, up, down, up. And on that up we have to dig in to do an accent. So let's play open E. Alright? Once we can get that, we can add the fingers. Okay? Next, we have to get the triplets. We have several triplet sections in here and groupings. So measure 7 is going to be our first triplet. It's an arpeggio. Triplet, long. Alright? So just practice that, get that feeling. We really want to think about the da, 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 and we can feel that sort of duple to triple feel. 25 to 30. We have to worry about these unusual accidentals we have written in. It's not following the key signature. So please write in arrows, whatever you need to do, reminders. This is what it sounds like. Meno mosso, a little bit slower. Alright, so write those accidentals in. Get that ready. Then the last is the big finale. So measure 36 to the end. Alright, so to get this, it's extremely difficult to sort of just like run off those triplets, right? So we want to think da, 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 triplet, 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 triplet. Let's play it slower though. And so sort of get our fingers under ourselves. So ready, and... So practice it slowly until you can really feel those fingers moving and coordinated, and then gradually speed it up until we can unify the whole piece under one speed. So here we go with the playthrough. So andante is our marking. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so let me know how you did in the comments below. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next piece. Bye.